Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be creating an embellishment box for a swap that I'm doing with my friend Jenny. So I've known Jenny for a few years now. She's also on the Tombow design team and she's amazing and so creative. And if you guys have not followed her channel yet, you should definitely do so. I will leave a link to her channel down below. She's amazing and yeah, I love Jenny. She's great. So anyway, she had asked if I wanted to do an embellishment swap type thing with her, so I said yes. So we decided to swap an embellishment box and kind of make like a little project kit for each other. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys not only me decorating and filling up my embellishment box, but all of the other things that I'm including in her package. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is from the Dollar Tree. I've had it for forever, but I love the pink color. I think it's so fun and it goes perfectly with the collection that I'm using for the package I'm sending to Jenny. So I'm going to start with this little paper and I'm going to move this aside for just a moment. This paper, by the way, does fit on the top there. But I'm going to be decorating this little panel and then adhering it onto the box. Jenny and I were kind of talking back and forth about things we liked and stuff like that, and she loves using pink because she has two daughters. And she also said something about unicorns, I think. So that made me think of the Chamel Glitter Girl collection. So I got the digital collection because there's not very much of this collection left in the stores. So I'm going to be using the digital collection. I printed out all the papers, all the little die cuts I cut out myself. So we're going to be using this collection and I'm really excited about it. I think Chamel's collections are really fun. And I love that she uses so many bright colors. Like, I'm totally down for that. There's also a lot of blue, like teal glitter in this collection, which, you know, I couldn't really print off the glitter as glitter. So I'm going to try my bestest to kind of work with what I've got here as far as washi tape and things like that. So I'm just going to put that on the front, trim it off. I kind of want to keep this simple, but also cute, because why not? That's fun. So this is one of the papers from the collection. This is one of the die cuts, and I just cut it out myself. And then I was thinking of doing like some kind of flowers situation, maybe something kind of like that, and maybe like a leaf. And then I think this flower is really cute. It misprinted a little bit like off the edge of the page, so that's fine. I'm just gonna use it anyway to kind of decorate this edge a little bit. So let's go ahead and start gluing these things down. So I'm using the Tombow Mono Adhesive Plus Permanent. It's one of my faves. Love it so much. So if you guys are not familiar with using digital collections, I love using digital collections because once you purchase it, you can print and cut the elements, the papers, the journal cards, all the things like as many times as you want. And I love that. So actually, I'm not loving that this washi tape though does not go all the way across. So we're gonna fix it. We gonna fix it. Okay, see? And that'll be covered up with the die cut. You'll never know. Jenny, unless you watch this video, you will never know. But anyway, like I was saying about digital collections, I love them so much. Actually, I'm actually going to use this Tombow Extreme, I think, for the pieces that go over the glitter, just because glitter's a pain to glue on top of. Did I do that right? Yeah, okay. Alright, I'm like getting so distracted. I can't. Okay. Anyway, digital collections are awesome. If you don't know about them or you haven't ever used them, they're great. Because like I said, you can print and cut as much as you want and it will be yours forever. And I love that. I think it's fantastic. Alright. I am a huge fan. And I think, yeah, I did do a video too on like how to organize them like on your computer, like digitally, so you don't take up a bunch of space on your computer, which is always good. So I will try to remember to leave a link to that below too. But I also love that you can like print them out in different sizes. Like this leaf, I think originally was pretty small and I just sized it up and it was not a big deal. I get asked like how I cut things out, so I've gotten like, I don't know, I find fussy cutting things like kind of zen. So I've been doing it that way a lot, but if you have like an electric die cutting machine like a Cricut or a Silhouette or whatever, like you could totally drag these into the design space and do it that way too. It's up to you, to each their own. I don't know, I get kind of relaxed doing some fussy cutting. All right, so we got that going on. And then let's see, I also have some pink jemmies, some little blue word stickers, and then I wanted to put like a title on here, but I'm not sure what I should put. Should I put Glitter Girl? Because I'm thinking if Jennie wants to take this off and repurpose it, she could. I could put Hey Girl, that'd be kind of cute. Why don't we just do like Hey Girl, because it's pretty chill, and yeah, so why don't we do that? So the trick I like to use is to use a ruler. You can use this not only to hold your stickers, but you can also use them to space out your stickers, your little alphas. Make sure that they're straight along the bottom. Line it up right. You have Hey and then Girl. So I'm actually going to use another ruler. So for double words or phrases or whatever, I'll use 2 rulers just so I can see the spacing and stuff. So, and then I'll pull this back and then I can kind of figure out where I want my words to go. So I'm thinking maybe like right there would be pretty cute. Hey girl. Okay, let's do that. And you just press it down. I have to be kind of careful with this paper I'm using because I print my own digital papers and I use matte photo paper, and sometimes it does not like to let go of things to readjust. Kind of careful. Okay, so we got that. Okay. Something like that. Okay, that's a little better. So we've got that. Don't need these anymore for right now. Alright, so I wanted to put maybe like one of these stickers on here. So I thought this would be cute because it says, "Today I feel like making something." So I think that's perfect. Where do I think I want? Maybe like there? I feel like that makes a lot of stuff happen down there. I could put it on top of her. That looks a little strange, I feel like. Down there kind of cuts her legs off. I don't know, I kind of like it though right there. Sometimes, I don't know, I love my camera because it has like a flip up screen, so sometimes it helps to like look through the screen and see where I want something to go, so I'm gonna do that for just a second. Today I feel like making something. Like down there is pretty cute too. I think that's just a lot going on. I kind of like it either here or down here. Kind of, I don't know, I feel like the words are balanced with it over here. Let me just do it here because I actually kind of like it there. Okay, made a decision, just go for it. Okay, actually I like how the words are balanced and it draws your eye over. Okay, so last I want to add some jemmies because that's a lot of fun. Why not? Some fun bright pink jemmies. So some of them I think I'm going to put on top of the stars, and then some of them maybe not so much. actually gonna move these because I don't like them on the stars like that. I'm gonna move them. Gonna do it like down here maybe. That's cute. And maybe some like here in the center. Okay, I love that. I think that is super cute. And I'm really happy with how that looks. Let's go ahead and add some of this Tombow Extreme Adhesive again. So I'm using this one because I'm adhering something onto plastic. So this lid. And I want it to stay at least during the mail. And then if Jenny wants to peel it off or something later, she can. Like this would make a really cute card, wouldn't that? Wouldn't that make such a fun card front? I don't know. Oh, and I wanted to actually round the corners and I totally spaced on doing that. So I'm going to use this little corner rounder. I might have to take these jemmies off for a second. Will this one fit? Yay! Okay, and then one more. Alright, good enough. Put this little jelly back where he went. Okay, so there we go. I like that better. I like it with the rounded corners. Just trying to get this centered-ish. Okay. So there we go. So there's the top of my embellishment box. And then this is what the inside looks like. So let's go ahead and start filling it up. All right, so one thing about this box in particular is that it's super deep. I was originally planning on using a different box that wasn't as deep, it was more shallow. But I thought the color of this went so perfectly with the glitter girl stuff. I was just like, whatever, I gotta do it. I gotta do it. So to kind of compensate for that and make it look not so empty, I'm going to be using these little mini cupcake liners because they fit perfectly in there. It adds a little bit of color, a little bit of interest, and then I'm going to be putting my goodies inside of the little cupcake liners. So it's also a good way to use up some cupcake liners. So I have this little blue one with some little wood veneer cameras. I have this pink one. And it just pops right in there, you know? Fills it up a little bit. And then for this one, I have some little stickers, some little glasses stickers, because there's kind of a little theme of glasses in this collection. Plus I know at least one of Jenny's daughters wears glasses, and Jenny wears glasses too. So I figured that'd be kind of fun. Make it look cuter though, there we go. I have this little blue one, pop in there, and then I'm including this little tiny thing, this little sample of gold star sequins, I guess. I'm gonna pop that in there if I can get it to work. Come on, thing. Okay, so there we go. So that's in there. So if she wants to do a sequin mix, she has a head start. This little pink one has some gold glitter resin star stickers. For this little yellow one, I'm including just some kind of random bits from my stash. So there's this little like purpley pink star, this little wheel, woo, wood veneer thingy, and then this acrylic piece that says fun. So maybe Jenny can find a way to use those. I'm sure she can. She's super creative, so that'll fit right there. Next, I have this really pretty pin. It's a bobby pin, but I had one of these left over from December and it's super sparkly. It's very like glittery and fun. So I thought I would include that too. Maybe she could use it as like a page marker or something. Next, yellow, and then I have these wood veneer flowers. Again, I thought the colors would go really well with the collection. Some little purple bows, some star trim. I thought would be fun to share. I'm also including a little bit of gold glitter washi tape from my stash, because you can never have too much glitter washi tape, and then a couple of tiny little pink tassels, because those are fun. And then some little wood veneer flowers. So I think this is so fun, and I hope that Jennie is able to use some of this stuff in her project. I'm also going to be including this little patch that says Adventure Time. I've had this for a really long time and I've never found a way to use it. So I'm going to include it. I'm just going to pop it right on top because it doesn't really fit and I don't want to like mess it up. But again, I thought it would be perfect to go with the glitter girl because it's all about adventure and doing cool stuff and all that. So that is my finished embellishment box. Now let me zoom you guys out and I will share with you all of the things that I'm including for Jennie in her little project kit. So I've gone ahead and lined the box with some blue tissue paper just to make things a little bit more fun and a little bit more cute because that's what I'm all about. So first I printed out a bunch of the papers from the collection for Jennie to use. I printed them out 8.5 by 11, so they're full sheet sizes, so she can make her own journal cards or pages or whatever she wants to do. So I just printed out a whole bunch of them for her because I wasn't sure which one she would want to use. As you can see, there's lots of pink and lots of unicorns. And then I'm just going to pop them into this like protective bag. Just because weather is crazy and I don't want these to get ruined because I printed them off with my inkjet printer. So if things get wet, it could get kind of funky. So I'm just gonna pop those in there. I also pulled some sheets out of my Chamel American Crafts sticker book and I put them together here. I don't know, offset them and held them in place with some washi tape. And then this packaging is actually from a set of thickers, so I'm just repurposing it and I cut it down. I put this fun little topper on it. So there's some unicorns and stars, like some washi strip type things, a couple of small alphas because I know she likes the smaller sized alphas, and then there's like some label type stickers in the back for any kind of journaling that she might want to do. I'm assuming she's going to do Project Life with this, but if she doesn't, that's totally fine. I'm really curious to see what she winds up doing. I also have this set of Freckled Fawn stickers. These are really fun and the colors go perfectly, so those will go in there. And then this chipboard set from Studio Calico. I've had this in my stash forever and I'm just going to pass it along because I don't do Project Life and I feel like these would be really great for Project Life. So I thought maybe Jennie might be able to get some use out of those. Actually, let's put these back here. I want to go ahead and make sure I have room for my little embellishment box because that's kind of the most important part. I also printed off some 4x6 and 3x4 and I think 4x4 or maybe 3x3 cards. So they're here in the back, and then I printed and cut out a ton of die cuts. So she has all different sizes from big to small. There's little phrasey things too. So this thing is pretty chunky. Like there's a lot in there, Jennie, so hopefully you can use some of it. And I just used like a clear bag and just used some vellum in there because I didn't want to use up any more of the paper to decorate things. So this sheet of paper, this yellow and pink star one, I used almost all of it to kind of package up stuff. So I didn't want to bust into any other papers because they're super cute. So I'm also including a pack of my favorite gemmies for her. So these are bright pink and they will go perfectly with the whole collection. Again, they're pink. She said she wanted pink, so we're giving her some pink. And I just, again, did a little cover thing. These are some washi strips from the sticker book and some fun stickers, so those will go there. I also made her this little pack of pearls and gems. There's white pearls and like clear gemmies and some purple ones too. I thought those would be kind of fun, so maybe she'll be able to use those. And then I'm including her very own roll of that same glitter washi, so I had a few of these, so this is perfect. So hopefully she will be able to use all of these things to make a fun project, and I will make sure to link her channel and any videos she does as part of this collab down below, so definitely go check out Jennie and her channel and all of her videos. Subscribe to her because she's amazing. And that is about it for my video today. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!